Hey guys, welcome to my brand new video. Today I'm going to be teaching you all maths. As in the previous video, I had taught you about maths factorization. So today also we're going to do the same exercise, the same chapter but the different exercise. So we're going to do today exercise D. Okay? Well guys, as I said, here is our 13th exercise, 13D. 13 is the chapter number, that is factorization. So well, so before starting the first question, my request to you all is, if you like this filter which I'm using right now, please hit a like button and share, and also subscribe, and also follow me on Instagram. So yeah, let's get started. So here our question says, here is our question, right? This is our first question. So what does it say? It says x squared plus 6x plus 8. So here we are going to use a method, a technique that is called the splitting technique. Okay. It's called a splitting technique. This is nothing but, see guys, this is nothing but, like, you have the question, right? You have the question here. So there are three terms over here, right? Am I right? So here is 1, then 2, then comes 3. So we have the middle term over here. For this, we have to split into 2. Okay, now let's see how to do it. Okay, so here I'm gonna take this 6x over here. Okay, now we are gonna split this into 2. So whichever number, for example, keep the number as x. Okay, x. So these both numbers, if we multiply these both numbers, the answer should be 8x squared. If we multiply this, so the answer should be something like this. So can we get an answer like this? Of course. Okay, that the answer is 4x plus 2x. Now tell me, if we multiply these two, 4 into 2 is equal to what? It is 8, right? And x into x is x squared, right? X squared. So these both answers, we got the same. So this is proper. So we can take 4x plus 2x as our answer. So here, as you can see, our next step we have taken these two terms. Okay, these two terms first, and after that these two terms, right? So here in these two terms, which is common? X is common, right? Here and here x is common. So we took x, then we do all the cancellation, right? Like it says, the question says that x, we have taken x as common, right? So x square divided by x, then plus 4x divided by again x, right? So here x and x square cancel. What is left? X is left. We took x, done. Okay, then plus x and x cancel. What is left? 4 is left. So we took x plus 4 below, as you can see over here, right? Am I correct, guys? So, and in the next two terms, which is common, the numbers, means the constants are the common. Okay, there is only one variable over here. Okay, so we're gonna take constants. Okay, so which can divide these two? It's obviously 2, so I took 2 as a common factor for now. And here when we do cancellation, 2x, 2 and 2 cancel. What is left? X is left, so I kept x over here, right? Then 2 4s are 8, so I kept 4, right? Correct? Then let's go down. Here comes our final answer. Our answer says that x plus 4, because we took this as a common factor, because in these two terms, which is common, this is common, means x plus 4 in the both terms, these are common. So I took x plus 4, right? Then x plus 2, that's because here x, then again plus, then here 2, x plus 2. Check out the answer whenever you want, Google it, anywhere, the answer will be correct. Okay guys, now let's go to our second question. Okay guys, here our second question says that x square plus 4x plus 3. So here we're going to use the same thing, that splitting method, that is 4x, we're going to take the middle one. So let's see if it works or not. Okay, so here x, 4x, we have to split it into 2. Which number will it be? It will be 3x plus x. That's because, I'll tell you, 3x, once again, 3x plus x, right? That's because x carries 1 always. If there is no any power after the variable, then it carries 1. So 3x plus x is 4, right? 4x. So there is a 1 always over here. So, and also there is another reason, that is if we multiply these two, our answer is 3x square. Am I right? Means 3 as it is, then x into x, it is x square, then 3x square. Right? Did we get the answer correct? That's all. It's so simple. Then we do the same method. Okay. So let's go down. Here, in these 4 terms, we took two terms together. Here, I took x as common. That's because, like, everyone knows why. X is common here. Then x is here. Then when we do cancellation, X and x square cancelled. What is left? X is left. X I kept here. Then plus as it is. X and x cancel. Then what is left? 3 is left. I kept 3. Right. Then plus 1, because I'll tell you, because if like this is the number, right? So there is no common factor over here. This is a variable and this is the constant. Is these both same? No, it's not. So we have to take 1. Okay, 1. Then in bracket these two factors. So now again the interesting thing is that this in these two terms, x plus 3 has become the common factor. So we keep x plus 3 as a common factor, then x plus 1, that's because x over here, we take this x till here, then plus as it is, then 1 from here to here. So check out the answer. And there is one more reason for this. I've already told you in my previous videos. If you want, you can go there and check. Okay, of my math videos only. So now I hope you understood this. Now let's go to our next question. So here is our next question. It says a square plus 5a plus 6, right? So here a square we took as it is, then plus as it is. Here we're going to use this to split our numbers into 2. Splitting factors into 2, that is 3a plus 2a. That's because I'll tell you, 3a plus 2a is 5a. Means that's simple, everyone knows 3 plus 2 is 5, right? 5. Then a plus a is just a. Now if it is 3a into 2a, then our answer will be 3 2s is 6 and a square. In multiplication, if there are 2 variables, then as the same variable, then this will become square, right? If there is plus in between, we are not will not be able to take square over here. It'll be the same as a. Okay, guys. So now, as I took this number over here, right? We took this. Here we do take the a as the common term, and here also the constant as the common term. That is 2, 2, 3s are 6, right? So I took here. Then a, I took, then after cancellation, I got a over here, means a and a square cancel. What is left? A is left, then plus as it is, then a and a cancel over here, 3 is left, so I kept 3. Then comes the next one, 2 and 2 cancel, a is left, so I kept a, then plus as it is, then 2 3s are, okay, 2 3s is 6, so I kept 3 over here. That's all. Then we took, as you can see in these both terms, obviously a plus 3 is the common term. So I took here the common term. Then the second part of the answer, that is a plus square, I mean a plus 2. So these are final answer for this question. Okay, guys. Now let's go to our next question. Okay, guys, here is our next question and its steps. So here our question says that a square minus 5a plus 6. So here we are going to take this middle term for splitting. Okay, so after splitting, we get this answer, minus 3a minus 2a. I know you guys are thinking a square minus 3a minus 2a. So 3 minus 2 will be how much? It will be 1. But listen, like, see carefully. Can you see this minus sign before this? Okay guys, before entering to this chapter, you will, like, obviously you will be learn the algebra. Okay, you will know the algebra, right? Or else you can't get these. Okay, algebra is very important. If there is a minus 3a, like before these numbers, if there is a minus, then this is considered like this. If there is 2 minuses here and here, we are going to add these both terms. Understood? Easy? Got it? Okay. Now 3a minus 2a we took. Okay, then if we multiply this 6a square. Okay, now I took a as common because a is common over here, and here I took 2 as common because constant is a common over here. Same thing as before, the previous one. So a and a square cancel. What is left? A is left, and minus a and a is cancel. 3 is left. I kept 3. This is so similar to the other one, but the difference is I kept only minus over here. That's the only difference. So here 2 and 2 cancel. What is left? A is left, so I kept a, and minus plus. Oh, wait. Have you seen there's a minus before the bracket? So you have to change the sign which is inside the bracket from the plus into minus. Understood? Okay. Then 2 and 6 cancel. 2 3s are 6, so I kept over here. That's all guys, it's so simple, no worries. Now a minus 3, because here a minus 3 is common, we have took a minus 3 as the common factor, because a minus 3 in these both terms, a minus 3 is has become the common factor. Okay, then a minus 2, that's because a and minus over here and 2 over here, a minus 2, which is outside all these bracket, so I took a minus 2 as the answer. So if you want, you can go check it out right now. Okay, now let's go to our next question. So here is our next question. Okay, now let's say how to solve this. So here it says a square plus 5a minus 6. Similar to the previous one, like almost similar. Now here we have to split the middle number, as I said. So here 6a minus a. That's because the one thing is 6a, okay, minus a. What I told before, that a over here, if there is no constant or no constant before it, then it is said as it has always 1. So 6a minus a gives the answer as 5a. Then also the other reason for this is when we multiply these two, we have to get the answer as 6a square. Did we get that? Yes, of course. Now look, 6a minus a. Here we multiply this, right? Now our answer will be 6 as it is, and here a square. Simple. Okay. Now let's go straight to the third step. Here we took these two terms together, right? Here I took a as common, then we did all the cancellation. Here this cancelled, and we got the answer as a plus 6. Okay, then here our next term over here, it says a minus 6. So there is no constant or variable at the same terms. So we took 1, okay, then in bracket a plus 6. Okay, now a plus 6 and a plus 6 has become the common over here, right? So here a plus 6 I took, then second term of the answer, a minus 1, which is outside these two brackets, that is a minus 1. So we got the answer as a plus 6, a plus 6 into a minus 1. Okay, guys, so I hope you understood this. Now let's go to our next question. Okay guys, if you're enjoying this video, please, as I said, please subscribe, like, share, and comment below these answers before I do. And also follow me on Instagram. Okay guys, our next question says that x squared plus 5xy plus 4y squared. Okay, here I have given the formula and the step, right? So why don't you try it and note this all in your rough book as I explained, because this will be more helpful in your coming up, or if you're 8th standard, this will help. If you're even 7th standard also, it may help. Okay. Now, x squared and 4y, xy plus xy plus 4y squared. That's because here 4xy plus xy gives 5xy. Then here, there's also, if we multiply these two, we have to get the answer as this 4x squared, y squared. So I took here x as common. Okay, then x plus 4y, we got the answer after cancellation. X and x squared cancelled. What is left? X is left. And here x and x cancel. What is left? 4y is left. So 4y. Then plus, here I took y as common. That's because there is only, in these both terms, there is only y as common factor. So here y and y cancel. What is left? X is left. Then here again y and y square cancel. What is left? 4y is left. Now x plus 4y I took as a common, because in these two terms x plus 4y is the common factor, has become the common factor. And here also x plus y, that's because here x plus y is outside the bracket, so I took x plus y as a common. And there is also a different method to do it. If you want, you can check it in my previous maths videos. I have explained you clearly. So now let's go to our next question. Guys, I'm yawning from that time, like off camera. So I think I'm so sleepy. So let's just end this video till the 10th one. Then the rest till we have total 20th till 20. So till the other rest of the 10, I'm gonna do it in the next video. Okay. Okay guys, here our question says a square minus 3a minus 40, right? So here, what I did over here is I took minus 8a plus 5a. If you all know algebra, then this is common for you all, okay? So we subtract over here these two, then what we get 3a. Then if we also multiply this, we get 40a square, right? So here a square minus 8a plus 5a minus 4a. So here we have to take these two and these two terms together. Then here I took a as common, here a, here a and a square cancel, what is left? A is left. And here a and a cancel, what is left? 8 is left, so 8 I kept. Then here plus and plus as it is, and 5 and 5 cancel, what is left? A is left, so a minus minus as it is, because there is a plus over here. So if there is a plus before the bracket, we don't have to change the sign which is inside the bracket, okay? Then 5 8s are 40, 5 8s are 40, so we took it over here. Then a minus 8, that's because in these two terms a minus 8 has become the common factor now, so a minus 8. Then a plus 5, that's because a plus 5 is outside the bracket, outside these two brackets. And there is another method of doing that. As I told you, it's in my previous videos, so just go now, check it, note it down, and then again come back to this video, then you will understand it properly. Okay, now let's go to our next question. So guys, here is our third last question. So it says x squared minus x plus minus 72 again. So here what I did is, our middle term is x, so I took minus 9x plus 8x, that gives us only x. Okay, that gives us only x. Then if we multiply this, we will get 72x squared. Okay, now so here x squared and 9x squared, 9x, we're gonna take it together, and 8x and 72, we're gonna take it together. Okay, that's all simple. Now here in these two terms, x is common, so I took x as common. X and x square cancel, what is left? X is left. And here x and x over here cancel, what is left? 9 is left. Then plus and plus as it is. 8 and 8 cancel, what is left? X is left, so I kept x. Minus minus as it is, because there is a plus before the bracket, so we don't have to change the sign which is inside the bracket. Then again 8 9s are 72, right? We got the answer. Then our last step, in these two terms, which is common? Obviously x minus 9 is common, which is in the bracket, so I took x minus 9. Then here x plus 8, that's because x plus 8, these three digit numbers are outside the, these two digits are outside the bracket, so I took x plus 8 as the answer. If you want, you can go check the answer right now. Okay, it will be correct, it should be correct, by the way. Well, now let's go to our second last question. Okay guys, this ninth question is kind of little big one. It's not even coming in the brain. Never mind. So it says, the question says x squared minus 10xy plus 224 y square. So here I took xy, then 6xy minus 4xy plus 24x square. 6x square and 4x square I took, that's because I split this 10x square into these 2. This one and this one. Okay. Then x, after we take these into two terms, I took x as common. Here x is common, that's why. So here x and x square cancel, what is left? X is left. And here x and x cancel, what is left? 6y is left, so 6y. Then minus 4y, I took the common, because 4 and here 24, that's constants are now the has become the common factor, and also y has become the common factor. So here 4y I took, so 4 here and 4 here and y here cancel, what is left? X is left. Then there was a plus here, but I converted it into minus, because when there is a minus before the bracket, you have to change the sign inside which is inside the bracket. Okay, now let's go to our let's move it. So here next 4 and 24 cancel, as 4 6 are 24. 4 6 are 24, and here y and y square cancel, what is left? Y, so x minus 6y. Okay, now here, as you can see, in these two terms, which has become the common, x minus 6y has become the common, so I took x minus 6y first, then x minus 4y as the next term of the answer. That's because x and x minus 4y is outside the bracket, and also there is one more simple method which I told you a million times, I guess, which I've already told you in my previous video, so you can go there and check right now. Okay, now let's go to our last question of today. Guys, my just a small request is that please subscribe. No, wrong. No, not this. Yeah. Please subscribe to this channel and also hit the like button. What Diwali is going on? What? Change this filter right now. Yeah. No, not this. No, not this. Yeah. So, yeah, I was just saying, please hit the like button, share, and also follow me on Instagram. Let's go to our last question of today, and we are done. I'm sitting in the theater or what? Change this filter right now. Okay. Now, so here is our next question. So guys, here our next question says that 2a squared plus 7a plus 6. So what we do here is, again, the middle term, 7a. So we're going to split it into 2. That will be 4a plus 3a. We'll get 7a. If we multiply this, we have to get 12a squared, right? 12a squared, it's obvious, we have to get that. So we have to find the two terms which can give us 12a squared and which can add, give the other answer as 7a. You understand, guys? You understand? I drank some water, I became very energetic. I don't know how it gets this. Okay, never mind. Okay, now where was I? Yeah. Okay, here. Again, we take these two terms and these two terms. Then I took 2a as the common factor. Now 2 and 2 cancel, and a square cancel. What is left? A is left, then plus over here as plus as normal, and here 2 and 2 to the 4, in a cancel. What is left? 2 is left, so just 2. Then here it plus as it is. Then 3 and 3 cancel. What is left? A is left. Then 3 2 the 6. Then 2 obviously plus as it is. 3 2 the 6. Then obvious. Now here in these two terms, a plus 2 has become the common factor. So I took a plus 2 as a common factor here. Then the last step of the answer is 2a plus 3 has become our second term of the answer. That's because they are out of the bracket. Okay, that's all. Okay. That's all, guys. That this question is the end. I'm not going to do the other rest. Okay, I'm getting sleepy. Hey guys, I am so sleepy, so I'm gonna go right now and sleep. Why is this, huh? Change this fast. I'm getting sleepy. Please don't. Are you serious, bro? Yeah, this is the best. So guys, please wear mask wherever you go. Yeah, this mask is okay. N95 is recommended by me. Okay, so please go with mask wherever you go. Safety is the most important. Okay, bye bye. There's my bird over here. Say bye. Bye guys. Peace.